I got the Briggs Stratton back from the service center. As you can see, this is New York's first blizzard thanks to global warming. You know, the beautiful thing about global warming is that with global warming, all I'll ever need is summer tires. Okay, so let's choke. Gotta put the choke on, and I should be able to simply start it up. That's the auto starter. Frost protector off. It's like I think humans are getting lazier and lazier with the pollution. We're getting just lazier and lazier. I just snowblowed that shit, and meanwhile people are looking at me like, oh shit, he's got a snowblower. It's like they're looking at me like I just discovered fire. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Lazy ass Americans. Look at that shit. I ain't scraping no goddamn windshield. Fuck that. I ain't got time for that shit. Big Truck Series. All right. Frost guard, bitches.